is around the corner, and obviously Monsters is supposed to be celebrated every day. But how do you plan a special something?
Well, I mean, as you rightly said, it's practically every day is Mother's Day. But actually, I'm actually just coming back from a quick 2-day trip. It was one of those evenings where my mother was just a bit like, I think I need a holiday.
And with mother, who else for them? Please tell us also. Because
with my mother, one mother, one son, one sister, and one father.
That's it? Only family?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Cheeky guy.
So how long people has to wait to see Bipasha, Mrs. Babeja? How long?
I can't hear you.
Everybody talking about fashion and fine. I think Bipasha is known to be quite a fashion girl. I had some of that fashion sense stuff.
Do you think? I mean, look at the way I'm dressed. That's absolutely good of thanks. Well, not really. I don't think I'm very well dressed. Normally, I actually screw up quite often. But now I'm just trying to keep myself safe and not try any of my funky full hashtag shit.
Okay, what next for Harman after this show?
Well, there are actually 2 films that I'm working on. There are 2 films that I'm working on, but you'll sort of hear about them as and when the time's right.
Do you plan to continue with the action with that?
Yeah, actually, one of them is an action flick, one is a comedy, so I guess, sort of weigh it out.
Trying to handle comedy also. How's that?
Yeah, dude, I'm at the situation, I'm just trying right now.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Lifestyle, the kind of hectic lifestyle that we lead. A lot of youngsters, forget the elders, a lot of youngsters are complaining about hair fall and all that. I'm very happy that they've come out with this product. I don't know about others, but I'm for sure going to use it because the industry, the field of work that I belong to, we do a number of things to our hair every day. And I'm sure, I'm very happy that there's a product now to save my hair.
Salman Khan is facing legal troubles these days, so what do you have to take about it?
I think he's always been very strong and he really knows how to come out of it. I just wish him all the best and I pray for his.
जरीन हमें पता चला था कि आप जब तक सलमान कोर्ट नहीं पहुंच गए थे आप लगातार उनके फोन्स पे थी उनको you were there for him, you supporting and उनका फोन नहीं मिल रहा था, then you sent messages to Alvira.
When did that happen?
Yesterday when he was taken to the court.
No, I have no idea.
You were not supporting Salman.
I have no idea.
You were not supporting Salman.
Of course I'm supporting, but it's not that I was on the phone and no, nothing of that sort. I mean, I myself was not aware of what you just said.
What's your fashion mantra?
My fashion mantra, well, it's all about being comfortable and confident in whatever you wear.
Any tips for silky smooth hair?
Try keeping it natural. Most of the time, don't try playing around with it a lot.
When it's Mother's Day, just a few days from now, what do you plan to do? How do you plan to make it special for your mom this time?
Well, I try every bit to make things special for my mom. Tomorrow, day after is her birthday as well. So I think it's going to be a great week.
Please keep moving questions. Please, Zareen, it seems that sheer is very in. So tell me, how much are you, in favor of this fashion trend?
I think this is for the first time that I've tried this and I think it's looking good. I really am enjoying what I'm wearing right now because it's so hot and something like this really goes for the evening. Thank you.
आप अपने कैसा ख्याल रखते हैं समर्स आ रहे थे
मैं अपने बाल छोटे
आपको कभी देखते नहीं हैं हम ऐसे फैशन इवेंट्स पे आपको देखते नहीं हैं
I am not at all into fashion, nothing. My friends are doing the event and I'm here to support them. Just have a good time meeting people from the business. And ख्याल बालों का बाल छोटे रखता हूँ समर में and that's the important part.
लेकिन एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है जिसको अगर हेयर के ऊपर कोई प्रॉब्लम हुआ, हेयर लॉस हो या फिर स्कैल्प पे कोई डैंड्रफ हो, आपको कोई ऐसा प्रॉब्लम फेस हुआ है?
ऐसा लकीली मुझे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तो मेरे किसी खास काम का नहीं है प्रोडक्ट बट इट्स गुड आई मीन इट्स अ गुड प्रोडक्ट आई बीन टोल्ड सो इट्स अ गुड थिंग.
लेकिन आपके फैंस और आपके व्यूअर्स हमेशा एक चीज़ के बारे में ईगर होते जानने के लिए कि हाँ व्हाट आर यू डूइंग नेक्स्ट, सो कैन यू जस्ट एलैबोरेट समथिंग फॉर द
I am doing a lot of things right now, but I guess my next film is Mumbai Saga. That's the title. We are starting shooting in September, but that's all I can talk about it right now.
But we start
No, not at all.
please come
No,
on.
we have to make a formal announcement. I can't just make it. I know. This is nothing exclusive.
That come on, please, because you tweet a lot.
Yeah, I know. Don't worry. I will be making a proper formal announcement. Thank you. Thank you guys.